If you're thinking about buying HMA VPN, there are 12 things you should know first to make sure it's the right choice for you. We'll break them down quickly and compare HMA with some of its competitors to help you make an informed decision. First, HMA offers solid privacy protection with AES 256 encryption, which is standard for most top-tier VPNs. However, unlike some competitors like ExpressVPN, HMA's privacy policy isn't as transparent. They do log connection times and IP addresses, but don't track browsing activity. If privacy is a big concern for you, this might not be the best option. Next thing, HMA provides a wide server network with over 290 servers in 190 plus countries. While this is competitive, NordVPN and CyberGhost offer more global coverage. Still, if you're looking for speed and reliability across many regions, HMA's network is more than sufficient for most users. The third thing you need to know is about HMA's speed performance. In testing, HMA is fast, but there are occasional dips in performance, especially when connecting to faraway servers. If you're doing high bandwidth activities like streaming or gaming, other services like ExpressVPN are known to offer more consistent speeds. The fourth thing, device compatibility. HMA works on a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. It also supports routers and smart TVs, but it lacks native apps for certain devices, like gaming consoles. Competitors like Surfshark have broader device support, making them a more flexible option for multi-device users. Next up is HMA's user interface. It's clean, easy to navigate, and intuitive for beginners. However, compared to the minimalism of apps like NordVPN, HMA's interface can feel a little cluttered at times. If simplicity is a priority, you might find other options better suited. The sixth thing is customer support. HMA offers 24/7 live chat support, which is definitely a plus. But when compared to something like ExpressVPN's stellar support, HMA's reps can sometimes take longer to resolve more complex issues. The seventh thing to consider is their pricing. HMA's pricing is competitive, especially when you commit to a longer-term plan. However, if you're looking for the most affordable VPN, services like Surfshark or CyberGhost often offer lower rates for long-term plans. Eighth thing, HMA supports P2P and torrenting, but only on certain servers. This is important to note because if you're someone who regularly downloads torrents, you'll need to find the right server. Other VPNs like NordVPN provide more flexible options with better security for torrenting. The ninth thing to mention is HMA's streaming performance. While it does unblock Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and other streaming services, its performance isn't always as reliable as competitors like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, which offer a more consistent ability to unblock content across different platforms. 10th, security features. HMA offers a kill switch, split tunneling, and DNS leak protection. These features are essential for privacy, but some competitors offer more advanced tools like double VPN or Tor over VPN. HMA security is solid, but not as feature-rich. The 11th thing is its refund policy. HMA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is fairly standard, but some competitors, like NordVPN, give a slightly more generous 30-day refund with fewer restrictions. Finally, HMA offers a free trial, but it's limited in comparison to some competitors. You can test it out for 7 days on Android and Windows, but if you're after a more comprehensive free option, other services like ProtonVPN offer more extensive free trials without restrictions. So, is HMA VPN a good option? Yes, it's a solid VPN with good performance, decent privacy protection, and excellent support. But if you're looking for a more feature-rich, privacy-focused, or budget-friendly VPN, there are alternatives that might suit your needs better. Check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.